The beauty of speckled granite is a timeless natural accent that can take the appearance of any surface to a whole new level. But did you know that you can add an elegant granite finish to your drab concrete right now and in just a weekend? Introducing Terrazzo Decorative Granite Resurfacer by Deitch Coatings. It's the simple way to instantly renew, beautify, and protect concrete, linoleum, and pre-painted surfaces with the elegant look of granite, which makes it a great choice almost anywhere. Terrazzo's tough stone backbone stands up to punishing seasonal weather, high foot traffic, garage floor spills, and more. There's simply no easier way to transform surfaces around your home, indoors and out. Applying Terrazzo is fast and easy. Just use the Terrazzo roller applicator, which acts like both a squeegee and a roller, as you apply your beautiful new Terrazzo surface. Before using the roller, be sure to make it wet, like this, and remove excess moisture. Next, be sure to stir your Terrazzo thoroughly from the bottom up, like this, to ensure that it is uniformly mixed. For even easier and best mixing results, we highly recommend using a drill mixer if you have one handy. All you do is pour a small amount of Terrazzo directly onto the floor, like this, and then use firm pressure with the roller to spread Terrazzo evenly over the surface, like this. After you've done a section, roll over it a few times to even out the coating, and repeat over the rest of the surface until complete. With its unique and simple application method, you'll find Terrazzo a joy to apply, as the elegance of your new surface appears before your eyes. Roll on 2 coats of Terrazzo as directed for lasting durability. The following day, seal it with your choice of Deitch Coatings Clear Coat, and the job is done. With popular colors to choose from, there's bound to be a Terrazzo finish that will completely transform your drab concrete and more, indoors and out, in just a weekend. Enjoy your new Terrazzo finish by Deitch Coatings.